Hello everybody, welcome back to another winter car prep video. And another thing people often overlook is making sure that your tires are properly inflated. Now in the winter with the colder temperatures, the air contracts and it leads to lower pressure in your tires. Now the way to know what is the optimal tire pressure is usually on this sticker. In this case, on this vehicle, we're looking for 36 psi, or in your owner's manual. Now, we've been dealing with temperatures with, in the morning it's in the mid 30s, during the day it runs up to the mid 50s. So we're gonna go a little bit higher than 36. We're gonna go about 38 to the tires, just so that when it does get colder, we don't have to reinflate them. Now, a lot of modern cars have tire pressure sensors built into them. So I know this one is about 32, I think it said. But it's also a good idea to have one of these little tire pressure readouts. They're really cheap. You can pick them up usually for like $1 or whatever at Walmart or any automotive store. And you just unscrew your little cap, put it on the valve, and then it gives you a pressure reading. In this case, we're at about 31-ish. So we're gonna go around, inflate the tires. It's good to have a little compressor in your car. So this one is made by Slime. You simply plug it into one of the 12-volt outlets for an older vehicle, a cigarette lighter. Yes, that's right, kids. Cars used to have cigarette lighters in them. Run our little hose. Screw it on. Now this is another reason why you usually want to go a little bit higher than the recommended pressure, because you will lose some pressure taking the hose on and off. But after we got it screwed on, the way this inflator works, it actually gives you a readout of what the current tire pressure is. So currently we're at 31 psi, and we're gonna go up to 38 psi. So I just hit the plus until we reach 38. You hit the on button, and that's it. Does the work for you. You see the pressure slowly starting to build. And once it hits our desired pressure of 38 psi, the pump is going to shut off by itself. So we just let that do its work. It's going to take a couple minutes. Make sure you check the tire pressure on all 4 tires. Make sure you pump them up for your safety. And it's just a couple minutes out of your day to make sure that you're running safe. See, we're getting there. We're at 35 right now. So this is our optimal pressure, but like I said, sometimes it's good to put another extra psi or 2, just so that when you disconnect, you lose a little bit, and it's also going to get colder from here on out, so that air in the tire is going to compress more, and it's going to give you lower pressure. 37-ish. It's going between that 37, 38. Once we're holding 38 psi, this thing should shut off automatically. bit longer. That's it. Shuts off by itself, 38 psi. So now all we do, just unscrew our hose. And that's why I said you want to go a little bit over, just because you do have a little bit of air loss. Put your cap on, and that's it. Got safe tires for the winter. Just remember, go around, do all four. Thanks again. Take care.